Hey guys, how's it going? I'm checking out the Dr. Hetzner ice cube tray, and these should be 100% BPA free, and they should be silicone based. The ones in the picture are red, but I did order some blue ones, so here they are. It comes with a funnel, and this funnel is to put into the hole, which would go here, so you can pour your liquids in this way. And yeah, that's kind of what it would look like. These are meant to be used for whiskey and stuff like that, but they can also be used for anything you really want. They're silicone, so even frozen solid, they'll never be too difficult to pop out. You know, you'll open the tops and then press up, you'll get your ice out. So yeah, these seem alright. Look pretty cool. There's two, so you'll be able to set your trays out. A total of 4 ice cubes. And yeah, the awesome thing about these is, obviously, like I said, they'll pop out fairly easily. And they look like little diamonds, which would be pretty cool. They're non-toxic, BPA free. They're food safe, obviously. They have to be, They are dishwasher safe, so that's actually really good. You can just pop them in the dishwasher. It looks like they're microwave safe. I don't see why you would need to, but they are microwave safe. And oven, possibly. And they do withstand temperatures up to 420 degrees, up till 40 degrees minus Fahrenheit. So I guess that does prove that they would be dishwasher safe and microwave safe as well. They go up to 420 degrees. But yeah, so these little ice cube trays, Dr. Hetzner. But yeah, these little things are awesome. Come with their funnel, like I said. Pour the water in, and you're good to go. But yeah, this has been the review of once again, the Dr. Hetzner ice cube trays. 100% BPA free, non-toxic. Thank you.